Okay, so these are some of the parts that came off here. That's the plastic grill. That's the trim that goes along right there. And this is a fan blade. Those are fans. It's not aluminum. I looked it up. I think it's like some kind of vinyl. It's a special deal. So here's the grill where the deer impacted. It's all cosmetic, right? It's all goofed up. This got whacked too. And so here's some impact damage here. Some right there. But the radiator is leaking. It's moisture from there's a crack there, so I'm thinking the radiator just get a different one. Replacement. This fan is missing a blade. It's hit the radiator, so it's gone. I get one of those. And then this fan belt's not on anymore. That's attached to a fan back there. That's the missing blades and stuff off of that. That's cracked right there, you see. So at least that much. So hopefully it's just cosmetic, and then the radiator and all the fans and associated things to fix. I don't know. I'll have to learn by going. And then I noticed the power steering was not doing right towards the end of driving in here, so it could be another issue that's beyond my pay grade. So anyway, that's what happened.